How are
Hey
you tonight,
there.
sir?
Yeah, I got in hooked on that Duxbury offset jig, but I went to Pat Carroll's uh, demo the other day, last Sunday, and he had a Paul Howard design, which was made out of plywood, like so. And on the backside, you put your recess with a dovetail in it, and you cut the other piece where this thing will swivel back and forth. And you put a gauge up on top here where you can decide where you want this thing, or some kind of regulation there. I can get 3/4 inch offset out of this one, which that was turned on that. Now, this one here, I ended up, let me take these bolts out. And it really is, don't get a lot of wobble in it also when it's spinning on the chuck, on the lathe. I ended up screwing this on because I used two-sided tape to put that on and do that pendant. Well, they made a comment about, hey, somebody would make one that would split where you could do that. So that was the challenge. I had to do that. So here's one that's split where it's got bolts on each end here to tighten it up, to put the tension on the tenon or whatever you're turning there. And so it's not bolted on the backside like the other one. It's sort of got the same design as the Duxbury. And I can get almost an inch offset on this one. And it's made out of plywood, and I find it a lot stronger, like Scott was talking about. And turned a duck on it the other day. I don't know where it is. It's around here somewhere. But just another way to do things, and it's pretty cool. But this Paul Howard out of the UK, he's an inventor deluxe. He's got all kind of little jigs and stuff. And another step, I guess you'd say.